In this video, we are looking at three words: term, expression, and equation, and what it means. A term is either a single number, so it could be a constant, as in 36. It could be just a variable, as in x or y. There's actually none in here that is just a variable. Or a number and variables multiplied together, as in 9x or 52x squared. Each of these is a term. So there's one term there. This is another one. That is another one. Okay. An expression is a group of terms. So in this blue box over here is an expression. 52x squared minus 9x plus 36 is an expression. And in fact, 7m plus 82 is another expression. An expression is a group of terms. An equation is an expression equal to another expression. In other words, there's an equal sign in an equation. So this whole thing makes up an equation. So if you have an expression and you let it equal to something else, that makes an expression into an equation. Like terms. Like terms are terms that contain the same variable raised to the same power. For example, 7x, just x on its own, which is actually 1x, you can always put the 1 in if you want to, and negative 2x. These three are all like terms because they all have the same variable x in them. In my second example, it doesn't really matter what the coefficients are. So we've got a third, we've got negative 2, we've got 6. And this one over here, when you're dividing by 2, it's the same as a half. So each of those has got a different coefficient. But if you look at the letters, x, y to the power of 2. Now this one is y squared x, but it doesn't really matter which way around you multiply things. If I say 5 times 2, I get 10. And if I say 2 times 5, I also get 10. So it doesn't matter which way around they are. It does matter, though, that the squared is with the y and x is just by itself. So this is xy squared again and y squared x. So it doesn't matter the order of the letters. However, we generally like to write them in alphabetical order. In both examples, they are like terms because the variables are exactly the same. Now, if you go and have a look on our OLE, you will see worksheet 1.3, like terms. Do that now. Thank you for watching.